Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Now today I'm gonna talk about Sir Isaac Newton. So check it out. Sir Isaac Newton was born on Christmas Day in 1643 to a relatively poor farming family. His father died 3 months before he was born. His mother later remarried, but her second husband did not get on with Isaac, leading the friction between Isaac and his parents. The young Isaac attended school at King's School, Grattan in Lincolnshire, while his signature is still inscribed on the walls. Isaac was one of the top students, but before completing his studies his mother withdrew him from school, so Isaac could work as a farmer. It was only through the intervention of the headmaster that Isaac was able to return to finish his studies. He passed his final exam and with very good results and was able to go to Trinity College, Cambridge. At Cambridge, he was able to pursue his interests in mathematics, science, and physics. At the same time, the prevailing education was based on Aristotle, but Isaac was more interested in modern mathematicians such as René Descartes. Isaac Newton has a prodigious capacity to consider mathematical problems, then focus on them until he had solved the mystery behind them. His one-pointed nature led him to, at times, he detached from the world. For example, he had little time for women, and early in teenage romance come to nothing, and he remained single throughout his life. Sir Isaac Newton has been referred to as one of the greatest geniuses of history. His mathematical and scientific achievements give credence to such a few. His many accomplishments in the field of science include developing a theory of calculus, unfortunately, at the same time as Newton, calculus was being developed by Leibniz. When Leibniz published his result, there was a bitter feud between the two men, with Newton claiming plagiarism. This bitter feud lasted until Leibniz's death in 1713. It's also extended between British mathematicians and the continent. Newton was made a member of the Royal Society in 1603. He was also given the job of Master of Mines in 1717. He took his job seriously and unofficially was responsible for moving England from the silver standard to the gold standard. Newton was an extraordinary polymath. The universe simply fascinated him. He sought to discover the hidden and outer mysteries of life. With his sharp intellect and powers of concentration, he was able to contribute to tremendous developments in many areas of science. He was a unique individual.